Yes. Yan na.
Landingan na. Oh, ang ganda.
Ganda.
Ang ganda.
Hindi ba tumunog eh?
Ha? Dala.
Oh, I thank you, Lord.
Lumapag na. Yan mo yan. Nalaglag.
Ilan?
Mas maliwanag yung cellphone mo.
Alam mo, sa tapos nag-video yun.
Okay na?
Against the light na. Teka. Ilan mo, ilan mo.
Okay lang.
Welcome to Taipei International Business Landing in Taoyuan International Airport.
Oh, the sun is there. The sun is
Please
shining.
remain seated because compartment and the car is
Anong oras nga? Alas 5?
Yes.
Available time
5
right now
o'clock.
is 5. Please be careful when opening the compartment as items may move during landing and takeoff. Please check the left and behind on your seat.
Paki-up nga ng akin. Tama na yan.